Hi, today I'm going to show you the easy and complete way to change the air filter of a V6 Toyota engine. You have an air filter housing similar to this one. It's holding by two spring clips on the right, and then on the left is attached to two rectangular hole which is part of the housing body. One in the front and one in the rear right there. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you where they are. Let's zoom in, and this is the one in the rear. And this is the one in the front right there. Again, on the right, hold by two spring clips. So when you loosen the spring clip, the box cover is still attached to the left. You have to slide the cover to the right to open it up. Let's open up the box. Unclip it. Move it this way. Here you go. Here's the air filter. Take it out. So dirty. See, look. Super dirty. I usually do is vacuum the inside of it. If you just put a new filter in or have other people do it for you and do not vacuum the dirt inside the box and put a new filter, and dirt still trapped inside the box. So don't forget to vacuum before you put in a new filter. It's just a common sense. Vacuum the edges too. Toyota brand new one. This is the rectangle. Don't put it in like this. Put it in like that, okay? Pretty simple opening up. Pop in. What? Just put inside the hole. Push it against it. Make sure it's all secure. Put the clip back. That's it. Simple, easy. Everyone can do it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button.